Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw application from Accenture. To withdraw your application, you have to follow the steps which I have mentioned here. So no need to worry. The very first thing is that you have to log in into your account. So this is very important. So here you can just go to access application here, and while accessing here you will get this option of login. I'm sure you would have your account number, so just go and log in into your account. Now once you let it just open right now. Okay, it's taking a lot of time. Anyway, so here, please wait. Okay, so now here you have to enter your email address and password and just sign in into your account. So once you sign in into your account, it will look like this, right? And navigate to the section where your application are listed. This is typically found under my application or similar tab. Identify the specify application you wish to withdraw. Click on it to view more details. Look for an option that say withdraw, cancel or remove application. Click on this option. If you cannot find this option, consider reaching out to the Accenture HR recruitment team for assistance. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Make sure to complete the steps to finalize the withdrawal. If you prefer, you can send a brief email to the recruiter or the HR representative informing them of your decision to withdraw your application. So that's fine, and this is it. If you found this video very useful, subscribe.